Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're delving into the dynamic world of website building with a spotlight on the WordPress powerhouse, Avada. If you're on the lookout for a theme that's been holding the #1 selling position for over a decade, you're in the right place. Avada is not just a WordPress website builder, it's a legend in the game. With over 10 years at the top and a trust of more than 875,000 users, this theme has become synonymous with versatility, ease of use, and design freedom. What sets Avada apart is its comprehensive advanced options network. Imagine having drag-and-drop visual editors for headers, layouts, and footers. It's like having a web design genie at your fingertips. And the best part? You can create unlimited designs without touching a single line of code. That's the power of Avada. Now let's dive into some key features that make Avada the go-to choice. From intuitive front-end design tools to modern multi-purpose designs and a robust customization network, Avada is a dream for both beginners and seasoned pros. With over 25,000 five-star ratings, Avada is not resting on its laurels. It's continuously updated to stay compatible with the latest WordPress versions and third-party plugins. And here's a neat trick. It adheres to strict coding standards, ensuring not just compatibility, but also performance enhancements and cross-browser compatibility. But the innovation doesn't stop there. Avada is all about continuous improvement. Free updates with user-requested features and performance enhancements keep this theme at the cutting edge. And did I mention the one-click automatic theme updater and patch tool for fixes? Now that's convenience. With responsive themes, Fusion Builder Visual Editor, Retina-ready graphics, and a focus on typography and user experience, Avada isn't just a theme. It's a comprehensive web design toolkit. Now, let's talk about Avada's exceptional demo experience. It boasts the industry's best demo importer, allowing you to effortlessly build websites with one-click imports of full or partial demos. Whether you're into cafes, gyms, agencies, or travel, Avada's got you covered. The user-friendly interface provides a welcome screen for easy demo preview and import. It's like window shopping for your website. Avada goes above and beyond with advanced features. It's multilingual and RTL-ready, supporting translation into 30-plus languages, advanced typography, background options, and various layout. With advanced options for page title bars, footers, and form plugins, Avada is like having a personalized design studio at your fingertips. And guess what? It supports unlimited single or dual sidebars with beautifully designed custom widgets. Oh, and before you go, remember that Avada is well documented. You'll find the link in the description below for detailed guides, HD video tutorials, and a growing knowledge base. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insights into themes like Avada. Now, we want to hear from you. Are you considering using Avada for your website? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and let's keep the conversation going. Until next time, happy website building.